To attract youth, banks could also complement their banking proposition with lifestyle-linked benefits. We saw in the data that you presented that 66% of all the UPI transaction is being undertaken by those who are in the age group of 18 to 29. That's a world there waiting for you to access them. They're tech savvy. The presenter did mention they are very tech savvy youth. Banking should reach tech savvy people. So when I said you could complement your banking propositions with lifestyle-linked benefits, I was thinking of coupons and vouchers for fitness centers, yoga centers, and credible mental wellness platforms. Young Indians have grown up with smartphones. You recognize them as tech savvy. We recognize the numbers who are using using UPI transactions. So UPI and on-demand digital services are already familiar to them. They expect banking to be simple, intuitive, personalized, and available round the clock. Public sector banks must therefore keep pace with these expectations. Pardon me if I say with some liberty, because I take the blame as much as all of you all. Public sector banks still give the impression of a government bank. Private banks are a lot more, attractive. They reach them, they talk to them. I've heard quite a few young people who are known to me saying they have an account. I said, so which bank? I'm not naming any bank. They named all the private banks on the earth. And the young people who spoke to me, not because I'm the finance minister, they know me even otherwise, did not name even one public sector bank. They are young, meaning they're less than 25, each one of them. And in my curiosity, I said, oh, wow, all of you seem to have private sector in your mind. Why? They were very hesitant to say public sector banks, ma'am, it's okay. It's not cool. Their expression was this: I need public sector banks not to be not cool. You should please get some young people to talk to you all. What makes you appear cool? Or at least one portion of your banks should, when they sit in front of the customers, make sure everything is cool. Banking is serious business. I'm not trivializing it. Banking is very, very conventional, and it has to be absolutely prudentially, tight and fair. And I don't want to trivialize that at all. But somewhere, private banks seem to have that picture of being banks, but cool enough as well. Just a thought. I'm not recommending each one of you all to go and do something to make you all appear cool, but not bank enough. Just that balance. So we should keep pace with the expectation of the youth. Therefore, as an important part of this campaign that you may want to undertake from 2nd October, the Indian Banks Association could also explore launching a web and a mobile-friendly portal dedicated to banking awareness for youth. IBA, in coordination with stakeholders, PSBs and DFS, could think of developing this portal as a single point where young people can understand banking services and financial opportunities suited to their needs and connect with the appropriate banking services. The portal could be designed from the perspective of a young person entering the financial system with simple and youth-friendly FAQs and guidance on safe banking practices, KYC, education, and skilling and finance, and entrepreneurship, and other relevant financial services. The portal can also help perhaps guide them to the nearest public sector bank branch where they can open a basic savings bank deposit account with no banking charges, interact with bank officials, and also access appropriate banking services. So essentially, a simple no-frills account, because you're talking of bringing financial inclusion to those who are in the age group of 16 to 18, because after that, they'll certainly come into the bank in some way or the other. So you should make it a no-frills account. The online portal can also gamify the awareness campaign. Interactive features such as quizzes, interesting graphics, and certificates can be built or can be made to bring in interest among our youth. Nudges towards positive financial behavior, and such as points and tokens, can also be given with some restricted use.